Hey guys, coming at you with a little DIY video today. I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful floral arrangement and glass vase, and altogether this was about $8 to make with stuff that I found at the Dollar Tree. It's perfect if you want to put it on your bedside table or even in the middle of your dining room table, but especially good for a wedding. And I chose wedding colors for this one because I actually used this at my wedding. So let's get started. First, we're going to talk about making the stem of the vase. So you'll just need these 3 pieces. These 2 here are glass candlestick holders that I got from the Dollar Tree. They were $1 each. I appreciate the detail put into these considering they were only $1 each. Run glue along this rim here. So put a little glue on there. You'll want to kind of line up the edges so it fits together nicely and seamlessly. When I did it, I let them stand overnight, but they really didn't even need that long. Probably let it stand for like, I don't know, an hour and move on to the next step. The next thing that you'll need is this little bowl here. And it looks like it's made of glass, but it's actually just plastic. But it also has a really pretty design on it too that just goes so nicely with the candlesticks, and it also makes it look a little more expensive, and the design helps it look more like it's a complete glass stem. The candlestick holders actually are glass. They're really great quality. These little bowls here come 3 to a pack, less than $1 for one of these. You can see here it's got a line of glue where I've previously glued it, but I took this vase apart for the purpose of showing you this tutorial. You can see where I put the glue. You just do a line of glue around there, not very much, and then you glue it onto the top, onto the, what is technically the bottom side of the candlestick. So this is what it looks like once you've glued it all together. You know, using E6000 glue is really great. It holds pretty well. It looks pretty beautiful. Okay, so for the floral arrangements themselves, you'll find this floral foam at the Dollar Tree. They were $1 each, and they were really great quality and sturdy. I also got the flowers at the Dollar Tree here. You'll find them in little bunches like this, 6 stems to a bunch. What I would do was I'd figure out how long I wanted each piece to be, and then I would bend it at that position and then twist it just back and forth, bending it until it snapped off, and I could just twist it off, or then, you know, cut a little bit of the plastic if I needed to. It was kind of hard to cut these with scissors because of the wire that runs through the center. But if you have like garden clippers, that would be perfect. You need to have a little bit of length on there so you can push it through into the floral foam. Also, just to get a little height on your floral arrangement so you can make it just nice and rounded. So you'll need 5 of these little bunches of flowers. 5 for some of the big ones that I made, and the smaller ones I used 4. So what I did was I used 2 of the white flowers because I was using that as a base color. I was going for a pink and peach color scheme. I actually don't have any of the pink flowers left because I used them all up, but these are the peach ones and they've got a little bit of pink in there. So I'd suggest you starting off with your colored flowers first. So what I would do is I'd start by putting one in the middle and then position them on the rim just like so, until I'd used up all the colors. So I started with the peach color first, and then I went in with a pink color here and did the same thing, positioning those around. And then I went in with my white fill flower. This is my filler. I put that everywhere else. So it just gave a really nice disbursement of color and made it look a little bit more natural. It was super easy to do, although it did take a little bit of time to do the floral arrangement, trying to figure out where you want to put them, and then you can just fluff them around a bit, cover up any empty spaces. So the next part is just popping it all together. If you wanted to make it a more permanent arrangement, you could put some glue in your vase. Not having it glued together means that you could probably just change out the flowers for the seasons if you wanted to have something different for fall or Christmas. This here was my actual bridal bouquet that I got especially made, and then this is the Dollar Tree one that for the flowers and the floral foam, it was about $6 I think for this top half, compared to the expensive flowers, and I mean, they're pretty darn similar. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know if you want to see some more stuff like this. Leave a comment please. I'd love to hear from you guys and what you thought about this. I'm going to try to come at you with some more DIY videos if you're looking to get a little arts and crafty and save some money in the process. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye!